Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Wide open spaces might be calming mantra for some, but when it comes to a home, a lack of privacy can definitely be a pitfall rather than a source of serenity. Whether you are living the city life in a studio apartment that has the kitchen, bedroom, and living room all rolled into one, or you are looking for one functional way to divvy up a space that's too expensive to handle, like a newly finished basement. The division is the key. However, putting up walls isn't always an easy or affordable route to take. Instead, it pays to get creative, using unique architectural element, common household furnishing, or even fabric to make your space a little more separate. A room divider is the ideal option as it allows you to divide the living area from the kitchen, the dining space, or even home office without completely cutting off one room from the next one. Smart Home Divider delivers exactly what you need, a free passage of light but clear boundaries between the room. The best part of it all is that you have a wide array of room divider to pick from that venture beyond just glass walls. From DIY room dividers to designer one, these creative room divider ideas for your living room will force you to look at decorating your home in an entirely new light. Using a living room divider to add a wonderful display or even an additional storage option is a great way to make the most of the available space in your small urban apartment or modest modern home. The idea here is to separate the living room from the kitchen or dining room next to it without disturbing the style of each of the room and allowing for an effortless transition between both spaces. A combination of closed units for the base and open shelved at the top is practical choice that allows for an unobstructed flow of light and a visual connection between the living area and the room next to it. Room dividers instantly make something out of nothing, turning single-use rooms into double spaces with separation and privacy. They can even create the illusion that a room has more square footage. Some room dividers can be built with such substances and sturdiness that they serve nearly the same function as inner partition walls. For DIY room dividers, put your carpentry and dry skill on the back burner. Instead, think along the lines of simple tools and easy to handle materials. For tools, staple guns, hot glue, hammer, finished nails tend to be the norm. For material, almost anything is fair game. Rope, license plate, plastic pipe, chicken wire, repurposed IKEA doors, pallet wood, vinyl records, and metal, or just anything else you can dream up. With the lack of space of your plate, you can still incorporate a partition between the living room and the bedroom of your mini studio apartment with gorgeous glass separators. Look at how elegant a single glass wall makes the entire studio appear. It blends in perfectly with the white backdrop and wooden flooring of the apartment. Glass and white make everything brighter, making this petite pad look much larger and airy than it actually is. White drapes only further accentuate the gloss, making glass the ideal studio apartment segregator. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern room partition designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration designs. If you want more design ideas, you can follow our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest interior design ideas. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram. All the link is there in the description box below this video. Elegant partition designs in between your bedroom and living area is the vertically stripped wooden lattice pattern that does much to warm up the ambience. You can go with one that slides or just about covers half of your entrance like the designs that you see in this video, giving you all the snug cottage vibes and making a solid statement separator in your mini studio apartment. If you are little skeptical about going full glass or wish to add a little pomp to the plane, a great partition design is one with wooden frame fittings in square or rectangular shape to make this partition more prominent. In fact, a nicely done partition wall can make for a great statement right in the center of your dining hall and living room, where you wouldn't usually expect to see much design. This trendy and partially transparent fitness make your living room interior much like glass spectacles that instantly get upgraded with the right set of frames. A vintage lover favorite, an antique theme is truly incomplete without adding an element of raw brown bricks to make it appear all things boho. Besides being absolutely pleasant to look at, these brick walls come with an added advantage of being easy to maintain, unlike glass furnishings. Adding a few niches in the partition design would allow you to complete the look with some indoor plants. Decorative lattice panels almost instantly make the room look more vibrant and royal. Beautifully carved design on thin sheets take practically no space and give your living room a majestic makeover. Golden lattice partition designs look particularly posh right in the middle of your kitchen and living room. It also does a great job cutting your otherwise open kitchen out of sight. With a wall this radiant, you wouldn't even feel the need of secondary embellishment. A living room with tall windows demand that there be light in every corner. While blocking the light from reaching your kitchen area with a bold partition wall may not seem ideal, you can always succumb to the loophole of using actual loopholes within your partition walls to make your abode look light and breezy. Get creative with your partition wall patterns by incorporating honeycomb circles of different sizes or even simple squares to make this partition wall seem anything but simple. A white wooden partition wall is wonderfully element in to add between your living room and dining room. Tiny wooden cutouts can be incorporated in this partition to grow green and go green. Lush green leaves make for your home surreal earthy combination that is sure to make your home look all things natural. Nothing like added benefit of augmenting your green footprint within well-crafted niches in your wooden partition wall design. With a built-in shelf watering system in place, you could even eliminate the hassle of maintaining them. Eat your greens but grow them first. Partition walls are a great way to enhance a home interior design. It makes a small adobe feel larger and help fill empty space in larger abode. Fascinating much. While selecting a partition design for your living room, be sure to have pick according to your personal taste and get on with it. Friends, hope you like this video on modern room divider designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trendy interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest from the link in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our Android app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.